Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by lifting the wiper arm and locking it upright because gravity works against you otherwise. Inspect the blade length, use or inches so replacement fits. Now, press the release tab or clip and support the blade. If you let go, it can snap or scratch the glass. Once the clip is depressed, slide the blade away from the hook with steady pressure. Don't yank, so the adapter unseats cleanly. Make sure to place the old blade on a cloth to protect the hood. With the arm up, take the new blade and identify the adapter type, hook, pin, or bayonet, because fit matters for secure operation. Align the adapter and slide the blade onto the arm. You should feel or hear a click when it locks. Once seated, gently tug the blade to confirm it won't detach at speed. If there's resistance, remove and realign. Improper engagement damages the clip. Then lower the arm carefully so the blade rests on the glass evenly. Lower the arm slowly because a sudden drop risks cracking the glass. Next, spray washer fluid and run the wipers at low speed, then high. This reveals streaks, skipping, or chatter. If you see streaks, make sure the blade edge is clean and fully seated. If it chatters, check that the arm tension is correct and the blade length matches the sweep. If problems persist, remove the blade and inspect the rubber for defects. Replace just the rubber if the adapter is fine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.